those are pretty cool, aren't
So
they?
let me see Toothless.
They were
So,
in that box of stuff that.
oh,
She's like, hey, look at these.
Yeah.
That's
She took those
cool.
off of my table.
here,
Oh, shit.
let's open more. Open this one. Open this one. So
Do that one.
let's open some over
Papa,
here.
this is Toothless.
Okay.
Or you can open up whatever you want. You go ahead.
I think she found.
I
she
think,
struck
yeah.
gold. She's like, hey, this one looks like Toothless.
Open that one. Who's that one?
That's
What-
the one, the snake man.
Oh, let me see.
Oh,
let me
let
see.
me
Is that the hideous nightmare or
Monstrous.
the monstrous nightmare?
Oh.
Whoa.
I wonder if Santa brought the little fat one, the little, oh, I guess no.
Okay.
We got Hiccup.
Something nice, something nice.
What is it?
Oh, it's a Gronkle.
Who?
Gronkle.
A Gronkle.
Which one's that one?
It's the big
Is
round.
that one?
You just said you
I
didn't.
thought that you were gonna start fish loads.
Let's see, let's see. Oh yeah, that one. He's a weird looking one.
I
can't believe-
She knows what they all look like.
Who's that? Who is that?
That's his daddy.
That's Hiccup's
his
daddy.
daddy.
Stoic, right? Right?
Stuck.
Stoic.
Here we go.
And it's
He's
the
supposed to be.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gotta be.
Oh, Papa, we're gonna have a good time.
I can tell.
Who's that? Who?
What is all these lighting noise?
Which one's that one?
That's the one that's the same.
Oh, you.
What?
I don't. Let's see,
Are they
honey.
the same? Let's see. Mommy and Daddy mess up?
Yep.
Santa? No, no, no.
Wait, let's see.
Baby, that one's
No, this one's orange and this one's dark.
yeah. This one is the monstrous nightmare, and this one's the monstrous nightmare. So let's keep going. What is
See,
Santa?
they're
Maybe
Brothers and sisters.
Santa maybe wanted you to keep one over at Mimi's house.
See what that big
Yeah.
one is right there. She wants another one this size, huh?
Oh.
Oh, that's a real
You know
big
what?
one.
You know who that's from? That is from Pop and Nana Trish in North Carolina. That's not from Santa. That one's not from Santa. Just so you know. That's for you, though. She's over there.
Oh, she's on the other side. Oh.
Oh!
Tangle! Rapunzel! Let down your hair!
That's really cool.
Really, really cool.
You get the tape off.
Really big. It's really
Here,
pretty.
you want to hand that over and Daddy can take Rapunzel out of the box.
Yeah, Papa saw
And we can get all kinds of presents.
I know. Keep getting presents. Keep getting them.
They're over there.
Yeah. Let's see what's on that.
Hey,
Over
Papa,
there.
look. Her hair glows.
That's right. Oh, look. Wow.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, who is that?
Look at the little baby.
Oh, there's the loot. Are those all wolves? He got our message. We asked him if he could bring that blankie.
I just looking and I got 2 blankies.
I know you have 2
Got
blankies.
one over here and one over there.
I'm gonna run
I don't know what this little guy's doing here. What's he doing? What's he doing?
He's a little
He's a baby. Where's the mommy?
Right here, Russ.
scared.
There you go.
Is that a mommy and baby leopard? Oh, isn't that sweet?
Can we keep this off? Can we
Of course we can, honey.
Open this one, Soph. Open this present.
Open all of them.
This one right here, this big one.
Let her-
Open this big one.
You can open any of them, honey. Oh, did that poke you in the eye? Sorry, honey. You okay? Oh, you know, that's from Nana Susan, honey.
Nana.
From Nana. Nana sent that all the way from Virginia. Thank you. You want me to help you?
Really?
I know, look. Look, it's monkeys!
Oh, looky.
You got it! Look, you wanna put it on?
Oh, that's very nice.
Look at that.
That's Sweetie, Cutie, Petey, and Weedy.
So the Lion King. Another book.
Oh, boy, look, you have to read that book.
I gotta check on those little quiches. Give me a pull.
Whoa.
Whoa! Come on, guys.
Open this one, too.
What?
Ah, it's making noise.
What's that? What is that?
What was
Is
it?
that toothless?
Is that tooth? Oh,
That's cute.
What is this, though? Look, you could crack this open and there's a dinosaur inside of it. How cool is that?
Is that?
That's for you. These are all for you, honey. Oh, what is this? What is that? Let's see. Oh, look, it's Snow White. Look, and look, she's got a wand and a. You really like that, don't you?
I'm gonna run the present so I can play.
I know. And we have to go.
you don't have it.
We have to go upstairs and get all the other toys that you don't play with anymore, so they can give them to other little kids that don't have
Hey,
any.
I'm gonna give them all to the little kids.
You are.
But she told me, she said, I think we should buy them some new ones. Let's buy them some new ones.
Ooh, that's Peter Pan. I don't think you know who Peter Pan is, do you? Tinkerbell's in Peter Pan.
Oh, another book. That's good.
All right, let's keep going.